even ng ilang mga mambabatas.
There is another slide from Senator Ping's presentation today. Congressman, 1.9 billion pesos went to 8 flood control projects in Barangay Mulawin, Nauhan, Oriental Mindoro. I think we have that slide, we'll try to bring it up. If you look at the breakdown, 8 projects and projects 1 to 6 are similar. It's construction of a road dike along the Bukayao River. Item 7 is construction of coastal road, and so is item 8, construction of coastal road, also in Nauhan. Can you talk me through these projects? I mean, ganun ba talaga karaming pera kailangan for Barangay Nauhan? Barangay Mulawin in Nauhan?
Actually, maybe ang developers can explain it better yung RD, pero yung Nauhan kasi is one of the most flood-prone towns sa Oriental Mindoro, at yung river na yan ay napakahabang river yan. According sa DPWH, ay 300 kilometers ang dapat gawin sa mga ilog na yan, kasi yung ilog na yan talagang napakahaba at dumadaan yan sa maraming barangay at maraming bayan, ang according sa regional director nung siya kausap ko, 300 kilometers ang kailangan gawin. Ang mga malaking pontong yan ay siguro wala pa yung 100 kilometers na nagagawa. So mahaba talaga yan. Mahaba yan. Maybe ang RD should explain that kasi may technical ko niya, may technical na But I will also get the data para masuri natin, mag-examine talaga natin. Mahaba po ang ilog na yan. Kasi at saka malaking pera talaga ang kailangan dyan.
So it's not that surprising that there are so many of these segments being built, the dike.
Definitely. Ang haba, if we can only go there, I can show you na napakahaba ng river na yan at saka both sides. Kaya dapat talaga ay lagyan ng malaking pondo.
Okay. Now,
kaya lamang, we should really insist na talagang yung standard ay very strict.
Do you know any of the contractors that Senator Ping name-dropped today? Silver Wolves and Raymond Builders. Do you know of them? Do you have any connections to them? Have you met them?
Wala tayong connection dyan. I can say, wala tayong connection dyan. Narinig natin ang pangalan nila kasi nababasa ko sa report. Pag nakita ko yung report, ay nakikita ko yung pangalan nila, pero hindi ko sila kilala in person. Personally, hindi ko sila kilala. And I have no connections with them whatsoever.
You've never met them?
I have never met any one of them. Hindi ko kasi, as a matter of policy, I do not talk or socialize with contractors. Kapag meron akong concern sa proyekto, katulad nga nung nakita ko nasira, ang highways na kinakausap ko lang, ang highways na sinusulatan ko, because they are the implementing agency. Silang concern dyan. So, hindi ko sila kilala.
Okay.
Except yung isang nabanggit dyan, yung isang nabanggit yun.
Sino,
medyo
sir?
may familiarity ako kasi lagi ko nababasa yun. Yung sa SunWest, based on what I heard, kasi yun ang maraming project.
What do you know about
Nakikita
SunWest?
ko lang sa news yun. Oo. Well, hindi ko alam kung sino mga may-ari, pero narinig ko na yun na isa sa mga may maraming proyekto sa aking distrito. Kaya yun ang parang familiar in the sense na marami siyang proyekto sa akin. But I don't know
who the owner is, Kong?
Hindi ko alam, o may mga pangalan siguro nababanggit, but
How can you say that, Kong? It's all over the news. SunWest is being linked to your colleague, Congressman Zaldico.
Iyan din na nabasa ko nga. But I have no evidence kasi ang nakita ko, ang presidente iba. I am not saying na siya nga, I cannot confirm that. For lack of personal knowledge, maybe I can get the...
Hindi kayo nag-uusap sa Kongreso?
The name of hindi ko siya nakakausap sa Kongreso. Hindi ko siya nakakausap.
Okay, but he has a lot of... if it is, this contractor that's allegedly linked, he co-founded it, right? Has a lot of projects in your district, pero hindi nyo na pag-uusapan yun?
Hindi ko pinag-usapan because as I told you, I do not deal with contractors. Pag mayroong problema, may concern, I course it sa highways kung mayroong report na ganito. Yun, ang reklamo ay tungkol sinasabi sa DPWH.
Okay. How many projects does SunWest have in your district? Do you know?
Well, hindi ko hawak yung report ngayon, ano. Hindi ko hawak yung kung ilang bilang ngayon, ano. Narinig ko lang marami, ano, pero hindi ko hawak yung report ngayon at saka yung exact figures, ano. Pero marami, alam ko marami siya.
Marami, we're talking billions, hundreds of billions.
I cannot confirm right now, pero merong maaari kasi may mga projects na 250 million o 150 million. So pag inat mo yan, malaki nga yan. Pero yung exact figure, wala sa table ko ngayon, ano, nasa ibang file ko yun siguro, ano. Hindi ko hawak ang file ngayon.
Okay, I'll come back to you on that. But moving on,